We just checked out.
Yeah, we're heading out of the Royal Hawaiian.
I know, it's sad. But where are we going?
We're gonna go to Aulani.
And I see a red convertible up front here. That must mean it's time for us to hit a loop around the island and finish the day at Aulani today.
Ooh, I'm really excited for that.
I'm actually just excited to see another island.
I know, me too.
So it's travel day around to the other side of the island.
Yeah.
Well, actually just up the island a little bit to Aulani, but we're gonna take the long way around to the North Shore and drive up the East Coast here because we wanna check out views like this one that's between us.
Yeah, driving along the coast is always fun, and this has been a good start to one. Beautiful.
And it's kind of hard to explain what you're seeing behind us. I'll show you what we're looking at in front of us in a moment. But we also do just want to say, we just filled our tummies up on an amazing brunch at Koko Head Cafe. For any of you that know Koko Head Cafe or Chef Leanne Wong, we'll put a link to that video of our brunch this morning. Fantastic. It has us set for a Hawaiian adventure this morning.
Amazing, yeah. Definitely check the video out for that place. It's so cool being along the coast because there's water on all edges of you. I love it.
We just came into the Valley of the Temples. It's one of the memorial parks here in Hawaii, but the coolest thing for me is at the entrance is a building by a famous architect who I love, who did resorts and special buildings in Hawaii and the South Pacific. And then all the way at the top of where we're driving is, I don't know if it's a Buddhist temple, we'll have to check when we get there, but it's a temple that for me and Ed is reminiscent of Japan. And it's in this area here. Ed, take a look, you're missing it. It is gorgeous up here. We just arrived at the temple here at the Valley of the Temples. We're gonna go take a look around.
Yeah, I mean, look at that. That's beautiful.
It's beautiful. I'm still impressed by the Wimberley building down at the beginning.
Yeah.
But it's amazing how you drive through this memorial park and you go from the modern building out front from, you know, the 50s and 60s back to a historic looking temple. Let's go check it out. You hear the gong.
The temple behind us is a 1960s replica of a temple in Kyoto, Japan from over 950 years ago.
Yeah, the Byodo-in Temple, which is just outside Kyoto, was built 950 years ago. Did we see that temple in Japan?
I don't
think so.
We should probably go back and check.
Oh, we'll check this one out first.
Yeah.
Oh, this brings back memories.
Yeah, with the gong and everything. It's just a beautiful experience.
Even looking at the nowhere else in the world type of mountains behind the temple that are only here on Oahu, it does remind you kind of the mountains in Kyoto, just how the temples were situated in them. Maybe not that style of mountain, but very similar feel.
Yeah, it's a beautiful place to come if you're interested in Japanese or Hawaiian culture.
Yep, and the locals even come here and relax. We were just meeting some people who moved out here for a year and have been here 12.
Yeah, and just kind of enjoy.
They just hang out here at the temple because it's such a peaceful area.
Yeah.
I almost don't want to leave, but...
You know, we got to get to Disney.
And all the things on the way that we're trying to do today. Oh, I'm going to miss this.
I know, but there's so much more to see.
All right, you can hear the traffic noise behind me. We literally made a roadside stop at the Waiahole Poi Factory because there's some dessert that I have here next to me that is a whole bunch of Hawaiian flavors melted together into ice cream. And we decided while we're here, why not stop and get a bite to eat too? This dessert I have is the Sweet Lady of Waiahole. It looks like I'm holding ice cream, but my dish is actually warm because everything's melting together.
And then for my lunch, I chose the lau, which is basically pork cooked inside of taro leaf. And for the side, I could have chosen rice or poi. And because I haven't really had poi properly, I'm gonna get some poi.
All right, we had to make another roadside stop here for Giovanni's Shrimp Truck. It's an entirely separate vlog of fun. Giovanni's is awesome. On our Circle Island tour, another pit stop was Kualoa State Park, which is a park here, and in the background is kind of a famous Oahu natural formation. It's referred to as Chinaman's Hat because of the shape, but it is something that you've seen a lot of people, you know, kayak out to. It's beautiful out there. This bay that we're standing in is amazing.
Right.
But the real reason you might know the area where we're standing is because of Kualoa Ranch, which we're gonna give a little turn here. Behind us is the ranch where movies like Jurassic Park were filmed.
And try not to get the theme song stuck in your head now.
Thanks, Ed.
Yeah. Also, they filmed Lost there, they filmed King Kong, a ton of things.
Yeah, so the Hawaiian Islands, as you know, film set for lots of movies, lots of TV shows, and right behind you, the mountains of Jurassic Park.
Yeah, which, again, that theme song is now stuck in your head. Aloha and welcome to the North Shore. Look at those waves, holy moly.
And just one after another after another.
Yeah.
You can feel the difference of the wind, and that's why they're all kite-boarding out there. It's awesome.
Yeah, it's also beautiful.
I've never seen a color blue like that. It kind of matches my shirt.
Oh, yeah, coincidentally.
Happy accident or on purpose? And as we keep driving, the waves keep getting bigger and bigger.
Yeah, these ones you're definitely gonna have to see to believe.
It's kind of amazing that on each of the Hawaiian islands that we've been to, when you pull away from the coast and head inland, it looks so totally different. Ed and I are just driving through fields and fields of sugarcane now, and coffee, and probably pineapple, because we might be on the way to the Dole Pineapple Farm.